Hello guys, it's me, Anshjelm, and something terrible has happened. This happened. I don't know how well you can notice, but there is some clap and movement here. And it's a terrible thing, because it means I have forgot something. I forgot to put those shim plates, or I don't know, is that the right word for those, but yeah, let's call them shim plates. I forgot to put the shim plates to the crankshaft, which should tighten this flywheel in its place, and now it's not happening because I forgot those parts, and it means I have to tear this moped apart and this engine apart completely. Don't you guys find it pretty sad? Because I find it devastating. Ah! Okay. Let's have some talk. Everything should have been fine. I think you maybe have seen my post in Instagram where I already installed the covers and everything, and I was just preparing myself to have my first try with this moped 2 days ago. And I came to my workshop and started installing the front light, and fuel valve was leaking, so I was going to replace it also. Well, I done those things. I replaced the fuel valve and installed the light. But something started to happen when the moped was running, and I tried to make the light work. So the moped didn't run so well, and it started to shut down, and everything froze. The pedals froze or stuck, and I thought this might be something actually kind of bad. If the engine stuck, there is something wrong with it. And I did my research and asked my friend to come here. Immediately when he tried to move the flywheel, he said there is too much movement in the crankshaft. Did you install those shim plates? And I was, what the fuck shim plates? Excuse me. Yeah, I didn't install those. And now the crankshaft moves too much, and I think the flywheel is hitting to the stator, or the edges stucks in the stator or something in there, and it stucks. And when you a little bit take it back, it starts to run and everything again, but it will do it again. I tested it. So there is too much movement in the flywheel, and only thing to do is install those shim plates, and it means I have to, this is a terrible thing to say, but I have to remove every cables, everything, take the engine off, and start to tear the engine apart completely, because you cannot take the crankshaft out if you don't break the whole engine apart. This is something a bit hard to chew for me, because I was going to start driving this thing and now I have to take a huge setback. But hey, this is motorsport and it could be sometimes be like that. And I have to deal with it. There is no grand finale coming out as soon as I thought, because I took this setback. So please forgive me my sloppiness that I didn't install those shim plates, because now you have to wait me to fix this thing. I don't know, can I even ask you like this video, because there is not much to like, but let's put it this way. If you want to share my torment around the internet, hit the like and everyone will know what I'm going through right now. But even I am quite upset and devastated, I try to think positive things, and I have announcement that the new studio is getting forward. I've already done the balcony and the stairs, and now I'm waiting electrician to come there, and that's a very positive thing, and I am excited about that. And I will now focus on the new studio, building it, and when I get it that point that I can record some stuff there because there's echo and everything, then I continue this. So you have to wait a bit for the grand finale, but I have something else in mind, something minor projects which might make you happy. So that's that. If you liked this video, like. If you didn't like, share my torment and still like. But now, Anshjelm out!